If you've ever entertained the notion of building and carving an incredible object out of wood while simultaneously venturing outside of your comfort zone and experiencing the excitement that life has to offer, then you'll find this movie to be an absolute treat. In this piece, we are going to enlighten you on everything there is to know about the work done by Triple L Rustic Design, in addition to providing you with some fascinating information that you have most likely been unaware of. The YouTube channel was initially established by Plant City residents Larry and Trey Larson in January 2020. After that time, Trey's wife, Zoe, who just discovered that she has a passion for woodworking, has emerged as a big contributor to the channel on YouTube. Triple L Rustic Designs has become one of the biggest YouTube channels, with the most subscribers and the highest level of popularity. It was something I did in my own time, and it turned out to be a great way to make memories. Since that time, it has rapidly grown into a successful business that caters to customers from all over the world by providing unique lumber, furniture, and entertainment options. Trey and Zoe have welcomed a new child into their family. His name is Liam. They published an endearing picture of a mother and her son together on their website. For the benefit of those who aren't aware, Trey Larson co-founded the YouTube channel with his father, and Zoe Larson joined the group once she married Trey. They both work full-time jobs, and Zoe is a police officer in addition to being a fan of firearms. Trey and Zoe had their first conversation at a law enforcement agency, and the rest, as they say, is history. They illustrate the chemistry that they have between them in their videos. Zoe's love for Trey, which can be seen in her eyes, is clearly demonstrated by the fact that she is always there to lend him support. Zoe has the unwavering support of Trey, who is always there for her, and the two of them have established a solid foundation at home, which will facilitate her development both personally and professionally. These individuals take great pleasure in fashioning items out of wood. They really use their imagination and experiment with a wide variety of product types and categories, such as charcuterie boards, trays, and bowls, among other things. They even fashioned a gorgeous camphor bowl out of the scraps of wood at one stage in the process. They take the audience through every step of the process, beginning with an ordinary piece of wood and ending with something beautiful. Because of Zoe and the inventive and creative qualities she possesses, this channel stands out among others in its field. The fact that Zoe is featured in the thumbnails of the bulk of the videos gives them a distinct advantage. Considering that the algorithm is known to favor people who are conventionally attractive, this gives them a competitive advantage. There is no denying that Zoe has a stunningly gorgeous appearance. She shatters the misconception that women are incapable of competing with men in the workplace or in physically demanding jobs outside the home. She maintains a stunning appearance despite the incredible skill required for the work that she conducts. The way that she manages to be both strong and attractive at the same time is a true source of motivation for me. They have earned all of the progress that they have made in such a short amount of time, and it is rightfully theirs. Due to the fact that all of their projects turned out so well, I gained a deeper appreciation for the finished result after gaining insight into the entirety of the process that goes on behind the scenes. Trey and Zoe each have a YouTube channel where they talk about their relationship and the things they do in their daily lives. Even further, Trey maintains his own channel on YouTube. These side channels give us an insight into their personal lives, despite the fact that they only sometimes cover other subjects in the videos they post on their main channel. During his speech at the wedding, Trey referred to Zoe as the most wonderful thing that had ever occurred to him. Even when things were at their worst, he could always count on her to keep a positive attitude and be the reason for his joy. She has been there for him through thick and thin.